What if the future of transportation, robotics, and human life wasn't decades away, but already here? From walking robots to sky-high commutes, today's breakthroughs are rewriting what's possible. Let's dive into the world of mind-blowing innovations that are quietly reshaping tomorrow. Meta's Aria. Gen 2 smart glasses. Forget ordinary eyewear. Aria Gen 2 packs a futuristic twist with AI-powered smart features. With spatial microphones, SLAM cameras, eye tracking, and even a heart rate sensor, these glasses collect rich data in real time. They're designed to assist users with vision impairments while also pushing AI research forward. You can wear them for 6 to 8 hours with a foldable, lightweight design. This isn't just a wearable, it's a step towards smarter human-AI interaction. Smart Swim 2 AR goggles. Swimming just got a digital upgrade. These augmented reality goggles project live stats like heart rate, distance, and time directly into your view while you're underwater. The redesigned eye seals make them more comfortable, and they sync with your smartphone for real-time performance tracking. Whether you're training competitively or swimming for fun, they help you stay focused without missing a beat. It's like having a coach in your goggles. The Neo Gamma Humanoid Robot. Neo Gamma blends high-tech engineering with soft, lifelike motion. Designed to assist with everyday tasks, this robot wears a 3D-printed nylon suit that mimics human movement with surprising fluidity. It walks, gestures, and interacts naturally using contextual body language and advanced neural networks. Whether you're welcoming it into your home or using it for research, Neo Gamma feels less like a machine and more like a companion. It could be the next big leap in personal robotics. Kawasaki's CORO walking motorcycle. It's a bike, except it doesn't roll, it walks. The CORO moves using 4 robotic legs with adaptive hooves, making it perfect for uneven terrain like sand, gravel, or grass. A 150cc hydrogen engine powers the motion, fusing eco-innovation with rugged off-road capability. Controlled by horseback-style movements, it's not just a ride, it's an experience. Unveiled at Osaka Expo 2025, CORO is a bold look at tomorrow's mobility. Inbal 2, the floating space camera. Meet the robotic camera that floats inside the International Space Station. Developed by JAXA, Inbal 2 uses smart propulsion to glide and film around astronauts, reducing their workload. It captures high-resolution 4K video and serves as a tech testing platform too. With autonomous navigation, it navigates tight spaces safely without bumping into things. It's a floating filmmaker and a robotic assistant rolled into one. Aki K1 AI-powered home gym. Say goodbye to bulky gym equipment. The Aki K1 is your compact, foldable fitness coach. Using AI and motion tracking, it offers personalized workouts with real-time feedback across 280-plus movements and 140-plus classes. From yoga and strength training to aerobics, it's designed for all fitness levels. The system folds down to just 0.3 meters, saving space without sacrificing performance. With full health assessments and coaching, it's like having a personal trainer in your living room. Kawasaki's ALICE mobility system. Imagine never leaving your seat as your ride switches from car to train to ferry. Welcome to Kawasaki's Alice. This modular cabin system connects seamlessly across different transport modes while running on clean hydrogen energy. Each cabin seats 4 and uses Kawasaki's OCU VOID power unit, making trips smooth and green. It's built for urban convenience and environmental consciousness. Alice is the ultimate future-forward travel solution, making door-to-door journeys effortless. Dive XL, autonomous underwater drone. The Dive XL by Anduril Industries is an extra-large autonomous sub built for long-range deep-water missions. It's capable of stealth operations like seabed mapping, reconnaissance, or surveillance, all without human assistance. With modular payload capacity and an electric drivetrain, it operates underwater for extended periods. It's deployable from ships or piers and can carry complex equipment. This underwater powerhouse is shaping the future of marine autonomy in both defense and research. Boeing Recoverable Launch Booster. Back in the 1960s, Boeing envisioned a reusable space booster that would fly back to Earth and land like a plane. The idea was to cut costs using turbojet engines for controlled returns after launching payloads into space. Though never built, the concept laid groundwork for the reusable rockets we see today. It was an ambitious step towards sustainability in spaceflight long before it was popular. The future SpaceX is chasing? Boeing dreamt it first? AST, SpaceMobile Satellite Network. Imagine calling or streaming from the middle of nowhere with no special satellite phone. AST SpaceMobile is building the first space-based cellular broadband network that works with your regular smartphone. Their giant satellites like Blue Walker 3 connect directly to devices, eliminating dead zones across land, sea, and air. With partners like Vodafone and AT&T, they're on a mission to bring global 5G access. It's not just revolutionary, it's turning the world into one massive signal zone. Autonomous transport pods. Imagine gliding above city streets while traffic jams stay below. Autonomous transport pods ride elevated tracks or cables, offering an efficient way to beat congestion. They're designed to be clean, quiet, and much faster than traditional public transit. With lower emissions and flexible routes, they're an eco-friendly solution to crowded urban areas. This could become the new norm for future commuting. Lab-grown meat. No animals, no compromise. Lab-grown meat is shaking up how we think about food. Using real animal cells grown in nutrient-rich environments, it creates meat without the need for slaughter. The result tastes and feels just like traditional cuts, but with a fraction of the environmental footprint. It could reduce land use, water consumption, and greenhouse emissions drastically. The future of food might be grown in a lab, and you won't even taste the difference. The SUJ-1 W51 Mustang, ultralight aircraft. Inspired by the legendary P-51 Mustang, this ultralight aircraft is a perfect mix of history and tech. It's built with carbon fiber, retractable landing gear, and a glass cockpit loaded with modern avionics. The turbocharged engine delivers high speeds and smooth climbs. With authentic rivets and simulated engine sounds, it gives the thrill of vintage flight with 21st century safety. It's more than a plane, it's a flying tribute. ClearSpace Orbital Debris Cleanup. Space is getting crowded, and ClearSpace is taking out the trash, literally. Backed by the European Space Agency, this mission aims to capture and remove old satellites from orbit. Its robotic arms grab debris and steer it into Earth's atmosphere to burn up safely. With support from private companies like Omega, it's a major step towards sustainable space travel. Clean orbits means safer missions for future explorers. Aeronova airships. Old-school airships are making a comeback with a futuristic twist. Aeronova's semi-rigid design allows for all-season, long-distance flights with a minimal carbon footprint. They can land on water or small pads, making them ideal for remote logistics, tourism, or even rescue missions. Inside, they use advanced materials and patented systems for safety and efficiency. If blimps were boring before, they just got cooler and greener. Innovation isn't coming, it's already here. Which of these futuristic ideas blew your mind the most? Drop your favorite in the comments. For more jaw-dropping tech and tomorrow's discoveries, make sure to subscribe to Epic Discoveries and stay tuned.